If you're looking for a bathroom upgrade, the FOOAO automatic mouthwash dispenser is a total must-have. I've had it for a few months now and I'm seriously loving it. Since using it, I've been using mouthwash way more often and my teeth feel so much cleaner. It holds 550 milliliters, so no constant refills, and the battery is rechargeable and lasts up to a year on just one charge. No more messing with disposable batteries. The 3-level dispensing system, it has a 10 milliliters, 20, and 30 milliliters, which makes it super easy to get the perfect amount, and setup is a breeze. Just place it on a flat surface or mount it on the wall. It's made with food-grade materials, so I know it's safe to use every day. After a few months of using it, I can honestly say it's sleek, practical, and has made my routine so much easier. This is my personal and honest review. I highly recommend it if you want a simple, effective upgrade to your daily routine. Happy shopping, everyone!